What do you think?
Wow, I love that. I need a ladder. I gotta see the rest.
What we're doing today is we're gonna be installing an HSP intake, and it's powder coated. It's gonna look amazing. HSP Diesel. You guys know, on the Victory Max and on the old Redback here, fully outfitted with HSP Diesel, we have to get this incorporated into the Victory Max build. We're gonna do the unboxing and look, check this out. As you guys can see, we have the turbo red as well as the mouthpiece. You know, we have the blue and the white theme going on as well. Let's go ahead and open up this box and show you what we have. So, you ready? Let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm really excited.
Yeah.
Especially to get rid of this ugly thing.
Oh, it's gonna look awesome.
It's a filter. Awesome. No, good stuff though, good quality stuff. It's not like the other one that I did a video on where it shredded the turbo.
A boot? I'm gonna make you guys wait for the good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. What color do you think it is?
White.
Can you tell? You want me to completely unwrap it?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
This is where it pays yourself back, guys, when you buy parts like that. Not only is it going to increase your horsepower, which it will. We have dyno numbers to prove that stuff. But it looks cool. Every time you pop the hood, you're like, wow, look at that thing. Mm-hmm. So why did we go with white?
Oh, it's going to go along with the theme.
Exactly. Because the turbo's red.
Yep, you got a red turbo.
HSP really knocked this out of the park. This is my first time seeing this, but I already know what the color scheme is.
Yeah, we haven't seen this in person yet at all. So, obviously. It's like opening up a present.
It's like Christmas time.
Yes. That looks nice.
That is beautiful.
Ooh.
So we have white and blue. Turbo's red. So it's going to go red, white, and blue. I'm going to go ahead and check this out.
Red clamp.
Yeah.
Red clamps.
Red clamps. I'm speechless.
Excited?
It's going to look so good under there. One thing I want to show you guys really quick, if you're just stopping in or you're new to the channel, this is going to really blow your mind. Check this out. So we have the Fusion Violet HSP full bundle kit with the forward-facing housing right here, the thermostat housing. We also have the air box right here, which is the same air box that we're installing on the Victory Max. It's the same exact intake because this is an LB7. This is your first gen Duramax 6.6 liter. And then of course we have the coolant tank here, the coolant bottle. And we have the hot side plumbed to the 68 millimeter Ryan's Diesel Service charger. And again, this is a pretty big deal. I mean, we have 100 over injectors buried right down there with the awesome HSP valve covers, the beautifully machined valve covers that they have. I didn't do a full how-to, but just the process in general, it was pretty smooth sailing, really not much to it. So how you feeling with your Wife Max truck?
Oh, I love it. I love the piping and the color of this is exactly what I wanted. And overall, things are coming together.
Yeah, it really is. So let me show you the old red. Right here, again, full bundle kit. Now this is a different platform, LBZ Duramax. So this would be your third gen diesel. Same block, basically the same thing, really. A lot of different changes, but coolant bottle. I do not have the forward-facing thermostat housing on this one right here. Zero issues for boost leaks. And again, plumbed to a RDS 68 millimeter charger. This is a polished housing. It looks really, really nice. And I just really like their stuff, and I'm going to continue to run it.
Next person to order something on the website, we'll throw in a HSP decal for you.
Awesome. All right, make sure you guys go now.
Here, you want a present?
Awesome job.
Who gets this?
I didn't get this on video, but it's pretty simple. You just pull the air box off and then use the 2 or the 3 existing bolts. You go ahead and just drive those guys in. And then right now she's just working on putting the boot on. And the ventilation tube's kind of in the way here. But it's the way we routed it. You got it? Mm-hmm. All right.
Oh, you want me to put it down here?
Yeah,
first?
go ahead and slide it in there first. It'll give you a little more access.
Don't drop it.
Yes, please don't drop it. It's one of those difficult times, guys, when you get these nice powder-coated parts and you end up scratching it or something. It's happened to me multiple times.
I'm so scared to scratch it.
It has happened to me, though, a few times. Not fun. Look at that, guys. It's all coming together. Looking good. Got the red clamps over there. Now that we have the red clamp set, we have the blue box, we have the white intake. Last piece of the puzzle. Oh, here.
The lid.
The lid. This is gonna look so nice. There you go. These are very easy to drop.
Here, I'll
Just
grab
grab one. Just grab one at a time.
Is it this way?
Just plug it in and push it tight. There you go. We're done.
Looks sharp.
Let's check it out. Can't thank you guys enough for watching the videos. Can't thank you enough for following the builds. Did talk about that. Yes, absolutely. Very next order, we will go ahead and send whoever orders first. I'll go ahead and drop that decal in there. Just to give you guys a heads up, this giveaway right here, everything is done from myself and my wife. We ship out every single order from our house. So this isn't coming from some third party anything. This is all ran by us.
And we try to get it out the next day.
The very next day, we try.
As fast as we can get it.
We do our best. So I'm extremely busy with what I do, on top of staying on top of the YouTube channel. Running this giveaway, which is going to be really exciting. It's really cool to have Wounded Warrior Project on board, so I can be able to give back to them as well. And just thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, HSP, for that color scheme. That was cool. I'm glad you like it, and great job installing it.
With your help.
Yeah, I did turn the camera off, adjusted a few things. I'm not gonna sit here and make it look like she did everything. But yeah, I did adjust a few boots and stuff. But good job. Thank you. And
Thanks,
I love you.
Thank you. I love you. Oh. Kiss and make out now.
All right, we'll see you on the next video.